Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel IndiaGATE. This is Nandani Sharma. In this session of TOC, we talk about ambiguity problem of CFG, means context-free grammar. So before starting of this session, if you want new GATE tricks, tips and important point, so please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for notification of new videos. So let's start. What is ambiguity problem in CFG? So, a CFG is said to be ambiguous for at least one string if there exists, means point 1, more than one leftmost derivative, more than one rightmost derivation, more than one parse tree. So, the parse tree is basically diagrammatical representation of the any grammar, and also only one leftmost derivation and only one rightmost derivation, both are producing different parse trees. So CFG, the ambiguity problem in CFG is undecidable because there is no generalized algorithm to check ambiguity. So next important point is that elimination of ambiguity of a CFG is also undecidable because it is impossible to eliminate ambiguity from every ambiguous CFG. And important point is inheritance ambiguous CFG. So the CFG from which elimination of ambiguity is not possible is called your inheritance ambiguous CFG. So we say that in short, the ambiguity problem in CFG is undecidable. Now move on questions based on this problem. So there are multiple questions based on this. First is check whether is ambiguous or unambiguous. So here grammar is given and this grammar is your context free grammar. How we check it is context free grammar? Because the production rule of the CFG is A produce alpha, where alpha is belonging to VT star. So this is your CFG grammar. So after this CFG, now come to the solution of this grammar is that after the reducing of this grammar or simplify this grammar, we got S is produce A B B base or A B B and AB. And also we say that after the more simplify when putting the production rule of A into the S, we got this production rule. So here we easily got that here we draw two parse tree for a given grammar. So it is contains two parse tree, then we got and say it is your ambiguous grammar according to given conditions. And short trick is that two or more production rule contains similar type of the starting symbol, so it is also called your ambiguous grammar. So here S is produce A, and in the production of A we got starting symbol is small a and small a, so it is your ambiguous grammar directly. Now move on next question. Here S produce A or A B S B or A B, and here A is also produce B S A B. So we directly draw the an ambiguous grammar using of a parsing technique. First, when we give produce A, so it is like this, after this and after this. So we draw three parse tree for given grammar. So it is your ambiguous grammar. And also according to our short trick, so here S is produced A as a starting symbol, and A is also produced A as a starting symbol, so it is your ambiguous grammar. Now move on next question. S produce double S or A, so it is very easily and forward question because it is really a ambiguous grammar, because here in the first parse tree we got S produce A, and second parse tree using of the leftmost derivative and rightmost derivative both are similar, so it is called your ambiguous parse tree and ambiguous grammar. So now move on next question. Here S produce S star S or S plus S or A. So after the applying the leftmost derivative and rightmost derivative, we got similar type of the parse tree, so it is your ambiguous grammar. And after we applying the sort trick, so it is also we got the A as your starting symbol, like S produce A into A or A plus A or A. So starting symbol of S is similar, so it is ambiguous grammar. Now move on another question. Now move on next question. E produce E plus T or T produce T asterisk F or F produce E. For E plus T asterisk F, so it is your ambiguous grammar, because when we try the leftmost derivative and rightmost derivative of the given grammar and production rule, so it is your an ambiguous grammar. And after the applying the sort trick, then we also got an ambiguous grammar, because here produce T and F produce A, so here no production rule starting symbol have the similar terminal, so it is not your ambiguous grammar, means it is your an ambiguous grammar. Now this lesson is the end here. I hope you understand all the points. Thank you. Have a nice day.